smack. Time will tell while we in the blues, secluded by thoughts when we're in the groove. I'm in tune with your flaws, maybe, but time will tell. She a Scorpio with nature, head curls down, 5 foot sharp, but Versace makes it tall. A smile so radiant, she lights up like a torch. On the front porch, I'll be screaming hardcores. A boofing with the cage, that's why we trap with the words. Forget them old tunes, kick you with the real gun, make you watch Looney Tunes, then put you in the mood. Before your mama said your energy blooms. Spaceship idols, I'm your idol. Walk on the aisle, make vows like pharaohs.
Kevin? I'm scared. You want me to come over? Kevin?
No, I'm okay.
If you want me to come over or something, text me, okay?
You touch your sensation, your African body got him thinking I'm a Mason. Pose like a Statue of Liberty when you're naked. The side chick had to tell me, embrace it. So, a body like of a goddess, a body, no Illuminati. Niggas protest, I chose this as therapy. To my office, working loyalty, love, laughing at nonsense. See, we just happen to be immortal. We both cheat, makeup soften up a low blow. I feel guilty, just as love. We all know the light skinned chick. Let me take you to Cholo.
Yeah, this is it. This is that need we all start to accept, and even slower to admit. Cause when I say I need you, I'm admitting I'm not really myself, and it takes faith. Faith in walking a tightrope, even if you can't even see it, but only feel it. Believe it, it doesn't matter, even if you fall down, cause surely love has given you wings. Me smack.